A friend of mine used neem oil on a plant and this is what happened. That's not the fault of neem oil, it's actually one of the most useful organic pesticides. Using neem oil incorrectly is where most mistakes happen. So in this video I'll tell you how to correctly use neem oil for plants with multiple ways and zero side effects. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe if you like such videos. Neem oil is an organic oil extracted from neem seeds. It has a very strong taste and scent, which is often disliked by many pests and insects. We spray neem oil on our plants. When pests smell or taste neem oil, they instantly go away. This is an organic technique that can be used around plants, and it's very safe. The neem oil you buy from a garden store is often concentrated and can't be used directly on plants. Otherwise, you can encounter conditions like this on your plants. Now let's know about some benefits of neem oil. First of all, it repels many kind of pests and insects, provides a shiny look to leaves and supports the plant's natural defense system. It also contains a small amount of nutrients and trace elements. It has some antifungal properties as well, and when used in the soil it can also have antibacterial effect. And most importantly, it's biodegradable, generally safe when used properly. You can use it for preventing pests as well as when they are already on the plant. We will see both ways to use neem oil step by step. You can also use it when growing seeds. It aids their germination. We will see how in just a bit. Overall, neem oil is one of the best and most useful organic repellents, but only if used with the proper dosage and correct method. So let's see how we can correctly use neem oil for our plants. The most commonly used form of neem oil is as a spray. You can make it very easily at home. Simply take a liter of water, add up to a tablespoon of neem oil in it. Make sure you use pure neem oil, one is also linked in the description box to buy. Add up to a tablespoon of liquid soap to it and mix really well. Our homemade neem oil spray is ready to use. You can use it on infected plants. The best time would be early morning or evening. Spray it all over the plant. When I first started growing plants several years back, I constantly faced leaf miners attack on tomato seedlings, which I am sure you must have too. So by just using neem oil 1 to 2 times, all the plants started growing healthily. So just believe me, neem oil works amazingly. Just follow the proper method. You can use this spray on your healthy plants as well. It can help prevent pest attacks when used properly. For infected plants, use it every other day, and for prevention, just use it once a week. One more way to use neem oil for plants is as a fungicide. Make the solution similarly: 1 tablespoon of neem oil and liquid soap in a liter of water, and use this liquid directly on the soil. 100 ml for 8 to 10 inch spot is enough. Neem oil is the extract of neem seeds. The remaining residue is called as neem cake, which can also be used for plants, and it works much better fungicide than neem oil. A video guide on neem cake is also linked in the description box if you would like to learn about that. And here you can also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. If you want to use neem oil for seeds, here is the way to do it. Make a solution of neem oil similarly. Use 1 tablespoon of neem oil and liquid soap in a liter of water. Take a small amount and dip your seeds in it for some time. Neem oil along with the water will be absorbed in the seed shell, and when we put it in the soil, it will protect the seeds from certain insects and pests. So this way neem oil also helps in seeds germination. My favorite method to use neem oil is for tools. Whenever I use a pruner for treating an infected plant, I use neem oil to rub all over the pruner. This helps prevent the spreading of diseases. If you would like to know about free pesticide alternatives to neem oil, a video guide is linked in the description box. You can follow that. Overuse of neem oil can result into several side effects, like how this plant started drying. You see, neem oil is concentrated and can't be used directly on leaves. So here are a few do and don'ts that beginners should follow. Do not use neem oil during the daytime, especially when the sun is up. Never use neem oil directly on plants at all. Always follow the right dosage to make neem oil spray. While applying neem oil, keep mixing the liquid so it makes an even layer on the leaves. Use good quality neem oil and make sure it's not contaminated. One is also added in the description box if you like to buy it. If you are growing a vegetable garden and often facing a lot of pests on your plants, I suggest you follow an ultimate prevention technique instead of treating plants again and again. While facing many kinds of pests over the years, I try to compile all the tips and tricks that actually work. Here is the short book if you like to buy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you like more such videos.